Starting a Shopify store is exhilarating. You've got amazing products, a sleek website, and you're ready to take the online world by storm. But there's a catch. Just like a physical store needs foot traffic, your online shop needs visitors. That's where SEO comes in. SEO, or search engine optimization, helps your store show up in search engine results like Google. When done right, SEO brings free, organic traffic straight to your digital doorstep. Think about it. When you're looking for something online, you turn to Google or another search engine. Millions of people do the same every day. They're searching for products just like yours. SEO makes sure your store appears in those search results, connecting you with eager customers. But navigating the world of SEO can feel daunting, especially for beginners. Don't worry, there's a solution. Let me introduce you to SEO Booster, a free Shopify app designed to simplify SEO and make it accessible to everyone. With SEO Booster, you don't need to be an expert to improve your store's visibility. The app guides you through the process step by step. It offers easy-to-follow recommendations and automates many of the complex tasks, saving you time and effort. Imagine focusing on what you love, creating and selling amazing products, while SEO Booster handles the technical details. You'll start seeing more visitors, more engagement, and ultimately more customers. The app also provides insightful analytics, so you can track your progress and make informed decisions. Join thousands of other successful Shopify store owners who have boosted their traffic and sales with SEO Booster. Your path to more customers starts here. Embrace the power of SEO and watch your business grow. Download SEO Booster today and take the first step towards a thriving online store. Imagine having a friendly SEO expert by your side, guiding you every step of the way. Someone who understands the intricacies of search engine optimization and is always ready to help you navigate through the complexities. That's what SEO Booster is all about. It's like having a personal SEO mentor available 24/7, ensuring your online store gets the visibility it deserves. Developed by SEO App, this powerful yet user-friendly app takes the guesswork out of SEO, empowering you to attract more customers and grow your business. With SEO Booster, you don't need to be an expert to see real results. SEO Booster acts like a virtual assistant, constantly working behind the scenes to improve your store's visibility. It's always on the lookout for opportunities to enhance your site's performance. It analyzes your website, identifies areas for improvement, and provides actionable recommendations, all in a clear, easy-to-understand way. You'll receive insights that are not just theoretical, but practical and implementable. No complex jargon, no technical headaches, just straightforward solutions to boost your SEO. The app simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or have some SEO experience, SEO Booster caters to all skill levels. Beginners will find it intuitive and easy to use, while seasoned professionals will appreciate its depth and comprehensive features. It's like having a secret weapon in your arsenal, giving you a competitive edge without breaking the bank. Imagine the confidence you'll feel knowing you have a tool that's constantly working to improve your online presence. Ready to unlock the power of SEO without the stress? With SEO Booster, you can focus on what you do best, running your business, while it takes care of the technical details. Let's dive into SEO Booster's key features. From keyword optimization to site audits, it offers a suite of tools designed to enhance your store's performance. Get ready to transform your SEO strategy and watch your business thrive. One of the most valuable features of SEO Booster is its automatic SEO scan and report. Think of it as a comprehensive health checkup for your website. With a single click, SEO Booster analyzes your entire store, scrutinizing everything from your product pages to your blog posts. The app then generates a detailed report highlighting areas that need attention. It's like receiving a personalized SEO roadmap, pinpointing specific issues, preventing your store from reaching its full potential. Don't worry, the report is easy to understand even if you're new to SEO. You'll see clear explanations of each issue and actionable recommendations to fix them. No more guessing or feeling lost in the SEO maze. With SEO Booster's guidance, you can tackle SEO issues head-on and watch your rankings climb. You might not see them, but meta tags are crucial for SEO. These snippets of code provide search engines with essential information about your web pages. Think of them as concise summaries that tell Google what your page is all about. SEO Booster simplifies meta tag optimization, making it a breeze to craft compelling and keyword-rich descriptions that entice both search engines and potential customers. The app guides you through the process, ensuring your meta tags are the perfect length and include relevant keywords to improve your search rankings. Remember, your meta description is often the first impression your store makes on potential customers. Make it count with SEO Booster's help. Section 5. Alt Text, giving your images a voice. We all love visually appealing websites, right? The colors, the layout, the images, they all come together to create an experience that draws us in and keeps us engaged. And images are a crucial part of creating an engaging online experience. They tell a story, evoke emotions, and can even influence purchasing decisions. But did you know images also play a vital role in SEO? Yes, those beautiful pictures can do more than just look good. They can help your site rank better in search engines. This is where alt text comes in. Alt text or alternative text is a short description added to an image's HTML code. Alt text is a short description added to an image's HTML code. It might seem like a small detail, but it has a big impact. It serves two main purposes. First, accessibility. For visually impaired users, alt text is essential. Alt text allows screen readers to describe images to visually impaired users, making your website more inclusive. This means everyone, regardless of their ability to see, can understand and enjoy your content. Second, SEO. Search engines can't see images, but they can read alt text. This helps them understand what the image is about and how it relates to the content on your page. When you optimize your alt text with relevant keywords, you help search engines understand your images and improve your overall SEO. This means your site is more likely to appear in search results when people are looking for products or services like yours. SEO Booster makes it incredibly easy to add and optimize alt text for all your images. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that every image on your site is working to improve your SEO. The app can even automate the process, saving you valuable time and effort while ensuring your images are working hard for your SEO. So not only do you get a more accessible and inclusive website, but you also boost your chances of being found by potential customers. It's a win-win. Section 6. Broken links. Don't let them lead you astray. Imagine clicking on a promising link only to be met with a frustrating 404-page not found error. Broken links are not only annoying for visitors, but they also harm your SEO. Search engines see broken links as a sign of a neglected and outdated website, which can negatively impact your rankings. SEO Booster acts like a vigilant watchdog, constantly scanning your website for broken links. If it detects any broken connections, it immediately notifies you, allowing you to fix them before they affect your SEO and user experience. Clean up those broken links with SEO Booster and keep your website running smoothly. Section 7. SEO Booster, your ticket to SEO success. SEO Booster is more than just a free SEO app. It's your trusted partner in navigating the world of search engine optimization. Its intuitive interface, actionable recommendations, and powerful features empower you to attract more customers, improve your search rankings, and drive organic traffic to your store. Save time and effort. Automate tedious SEO tasks and focus on what you do best, running your business. Boost sales and revenue. Convert more visitors into paying customers with improved website visibility. With SEO Booster by your side, you can confidently tackle SEO challenges and watch your business thrive. Section 8. SEO, the gift that keeps on giving. Investing in SEO is like planting a tree. It takes time and effort to see results, but once that tree takes root, it provides shade and fruit for years to come. Unlike paid advertising, where you pay for every click, SEO builds long-term sustainable growth for your business. The work you put into optimizing your website today will continue to attract customers and drive sales in the future. SEO is an ongoing process, but with the right tools and guidance, it's an investment that pays off exponentially. Section 9. Ready to boost your store? Don't let SEO overwhelm you. Embrace the power of SEO Booster and unlock your store's true potential. It's free, user-friendly, and packed with features designed to simplify SEO and help you succeed. Take charge of your online presence, attract more customers, and watch your business grow with SEO Booster, the ultimate free SEO app for Shopify.